Wetin I go come use for all this termite like this?
For many years, farmers dey use products wey get Chlorpyrifos to control termites and other bad insects. E common well because e been dey work, but now dem don stop Chlorpyrifos. E no dey allowed again, as e dey harmful to both crops and the farmers. E no good for you to dey use am. If you wan buy any herbicide and you see say e contain Chlorpyrifos, abeg make you run leave the product o. So wetin come be the next step? Which product farmers go fit buy like this? Well, for Sarah Sciences, you understand your worry, and we happy to tell you say new Solitex and Termex dey market like this. The new Solitex get Imidacloprid 200 grams per liter SL inside am. E dey control termites, beetles and hoppers. E dey work when e touch them, and when e enter their mouth. E dey protect all legume crops and other crops like vegetables, watermelon, cotton, maize, cocoa, cassava, yam and sugarcane. If you wan apply for cocoa, make you use 300 ml to 400 ml per hectare, and for other crops, use 150 ml to 300 ml per hectare when infestation starts. But no be only that one o. Termex sef don come back with new active ingredients wey dem dey call Bifenthrin grams per liter EC. The new Termex dey give strong control against termites and other insects for cassava, cocoa, maize, yam, sugarcane, cotton, watermelon and legumes. Use 150 ml to 300 ml per hectare. To control termites and other insects in crops, make you apply 20 ml to 40 ml per 15-liter knapsack sprayer. For wood treatment, use 30 ml to 45 ml per 15-liter knapsack sprayer. Both the new Solitex and Termex dey safe for you and the environment, and dem go still give you the same trusted protection wey you know. Hurry, go get your own today. Dem dey available all over Nigeria. You fit request through the Farm Proper app or send message for WhatsApp. Our number na 0807 749 4225. This one's not Sarah Sciences carry them come o.
E don do for all these termites and insects dem. Make I run go buy my own Solitex and Termex sharp.